Everybody, this is Grant Larson. I am very excited to be back doing another stock report with you. Okay, what a week. Oh my goodness. What comes to my mind is a pogo stick. You know, the overall market, right? Just boom, up and then down and up and then down. Look at this. Let's go over to the SPY. You know, I like to start with the SPY. Let's go SPY on the SPY. Okay, here's Monday. Wham, look at that. Shoots way up. And then Tuesday, massive drop. Wednesday, bounces a little, comes down. And then Thursday, shoots back up again. Holy smokes, that's pretty crazy. All right, so a couple of key things to think about in this kind of market. Number one, if you widen your stops with these massive swings, you know, maybe you get lucky and it swings back in the direction of your trade and then you take a win, but you're taking a big risk by doing that. So, look, don't do that, okay? So number one, it's easier to preserve your capital than it is to rebuild it, all right? So just stay with your rules, all right? Second is, if you're not confident about a signal, then don't enter. Now, that's true in all markets, but in this kind of market with this much volatility, it can be especially painful. So just be more careful, be more cognizant of that, given these massive swings. Okay, excited to do this report. Come join me over in the video. And again, if you have any questions, hit the posts on the blog down below, and I'll be happy to get back with you. See you soon. Bye.